video, we're going to show you how to create a Thai-style curry in the Instant Pot that is delicious, affordable, nutritious, and simple.
Curry means a combination of a lot of different spices. Different regions around the world have created their own styles of curry based on the spices that are predominantly used in those areas.
In the past, we created curries by combining an assortment of dried spices. But we found that by using these cans of curry paste instead is much faster, and it still provides the same level of flavor that we look for when we order curry dishes at Thai restaurants.
The brand that we like to use is called Masri. They sell a huge variety of pre-made pastes and sauces. The 3 pastes we've tried and enjoyed are a yellow curry called curry, a green curry, and a red curry called Keng Par. Each of these curries has subtle flavor differences that make them stand out. The yellow curry is mildly spicy. The red and green curries are significantly spicier.
Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 small or medium-sized onion, 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 1 19-ounce package of firm tofu. We like to use firm tofu because it doesn't fall apart after cooking under high pressure. 2 16-ounce cans of chickpeas, 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk, 1 4-ounce can of curry paste. In this video, we'll be using the red Keng Par variety. And finally, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We think this curry already has a great flavor on its own, but you can enhance it even more by adding ingredients like fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar.
First, turn on the sauté function on the pressure cooker. Open the tofu and drain the package. Don't worry about squeezing out any liquid. Do the same for your cans of beans. While the Instant Pot heats up, coarsely chop the onion. Sauté the onion in a heated pot with about a tablespoon of olive oil. While the onion cooks, chop your sweet potato and tofu into approximately 1-inch chunks. When your onion is soft and brown, deglaze the pan with a bit of water and scrape off the sticky onion bits that have stuck to the bottom. Scoop out the entire can of curry paste and sauté it with your onion until it's thoroughly heated up. When your paste is steaming and your whole kitchen smells like curry, it's time to add the can of coconut milk. Deglaze the pan once again and turn off the cooker. Add in the sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and tofu. Stir until everything is mixed well with the sauce. Make sure that most of the ingredients are submerged in liquid. Some can be peeking out, but the Instant Pot needs enough liquid to seal when it begins to cook. If necessary, you can pour a little extra water onto the food to ensure it seals. Close the lid, make sure the valve is set to sealing, and set your Instant Pot for 4 minutes at high pressure. When the Instant Pot beeps, turn off the heat and open the valve. If you want to thicken your curry, add a cornstarch slurry. We use... that rhymes.
Which one, Ron?
If you want to thicken your curry, add a cornstarch slurry. We use 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with an equal amount of water. Mixing the water first ensures that you won't have cornstarch chunks in your sauce. Let the sauce boil for about a minute. It will thicken as it cools.
Added flavor. Oh, jeez.
If you want to enhance the flavors of this already delicious curry paste, you can stir in a few splashes of fish sauce.
So now you might be wondering, how many meal portions can we get out of this recipe? Just to give you an idea, we divide this up into 8 servings, which gives about 4 meals each for 2 of us.
This is what our serving size looks like, with about a cup of cooked brown rice on the side, which costs about 16 cents.
That brings the total cost of this meal to 96 cents.
not including utilities.
So as you can see, eating healthy can be delicious, yet simple and affordable at the same time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful or entertaining, make sure to click the little thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or you try a recipe, make sure to let us know how it goes for you in the comments. Bye!